For the holidays, it's easy to plan meals, it's easy to plan different events, but sometimes it's hard to decorate and figure out exactly how you want to arrange your holiday table, your holiday displays. So in this video, we will show you how you can set up a beautiful centerpiece for a flameless candle. Part of our recycle, reuse, and repurpose series is taking things that would normally be trashed, like a shipping tape roll, and making something out of it, like this beautiful candle holder votive. This is so easy to make. All you have to do is take a roll, shipping tape roll, put cardstock on it, and then you're going to cut the part that's the excess. Once you cut it, you are going to hot glue it to the roll. And the easiest way to do that is just to put some hot glue on the roll. And don't worry if you don't have enough cardstock to completely wrap it, because you can just take some more cardstock and wrap it around the part that's still open, like this. And then you'll just put some hot glue on this part and just overlap it a bit. Very easy. And then put the rest of your cardstock right over it. And then you'll just cut off the excess. So again, most of these crafts that we create are pretty much foolproof. So once you have it covered with your cardstock, you'll just start gluing your glass gems to the cardstock. And it's simple. If you have gaps, it's fine. It doesn't have to be in a specific pattern. If you want, you can make it easy by just starting at the top and then just working around it. Or you can simply do a pattern where you mix up your gems. And so within minutes, you'll go around it and then you'll have the whole thing covered. I actually put a bottom in this one, so you can see how it's an easy craft. If you don't have a hot glue gun, don't worry, you can use a permanent adhesive and just glue it to it. Please like this video, subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.